In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete mail in Outlook after sending. Mistakenly sending an email can be a nerve-wracking situation, but understanding how to delete it might help mitigate any potential embarrassment or confusion. So let's walk through this process together using Microsoft Outlook, which is a widely used email client for both personal and professional communication. First, let's head over to Microsoft Outlook. You can access it via your desktop application or the web version depending on your preference. Once you're there, you'll want to click on the sign in button located at the top right corner of your screen. This step is essential as it ensures you're accessing your account to manage the emails you've sent from there. After clicking sign in, you'll need to enter your email address and password. Make sure you're entering the correct account information to proceed successfully. If it's your first time logging in from this device, you might encounter a two-step verification process for added security. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main Outlook interface. Locate the new mail button, which is usually prominently displayed. Clicking on this allows you to compose an email. In this session, we'll simulate sending an email for learning purposes. If you're practicing, go ahead and send a test email to yourself or a trusting colleague who's aware of your test. In the To field, enter the recipient's email address. Add a relevant subject line and type out a message in the body section. Once your email is crafted to your liking, click the send button. At this point, the email will be sent to the recipient, but don't worry, deleting it after sending is our next trick. To proceed, click on the Sent Items folder in your Outlook sidebar. Here you'll find a list of all the emails you've sent from your account. Locate the email you just sent, which should be at the top of your list if it's the most recent email you've sent. Next, right-click on the email you wish to delete. This will open a context menu with several options. From this menu, select the Delete option. Once you've done so, the email will be moved to the Deleted Items folder. While deleting an email from your sent items doesn't recall it from the recipient's inbox, it helps in managing your own records. And there you have it, you've successfully deleted an email from Outlook's Sent Items folder. Hopefully this step-by-step guide provides you with the confidence to handle such tasks. Remember, while deleting mails post-sending has its limitations, mastering your email client settings and options is always beneficial. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.